Words that start with the letter C, D, and E. C. Calendar. A calendar is a chart that shows the days, weeks, and months of a year. Calm. Feeling calm means feeling peaceful and not upset. Cane. A cane is a stick that helps someone walk. Castle. A castle is a large home with high walls and towers. Caterpillar. A caterpillar is a worm-like animal that turns into a butterfly or moth. Ceiling. The ceiling is the top inside part of a room. Celery. Celery is a crunchy green vegetable. Cheeks. Cheeks are the part of the face below the eyes. Chef. A chef is someone who cooks. Chimney. A chimney carries off smoke from a building. Chin. The chin is the part of the face below the lips. Circle. A circle is a shape that is perfectly round. Clock. A clock is a machine that tells us what time it is. Coach. A coach is someone who teaches people how to do something better. Comb. A comb has teeth and is used to smooth and arrange hair. Crown. A crown is a fancy round cap worn by royalty. D. Dancer. A dancer is someone who dances. Words that start with the letter C, D, and E. Deer. A deer is a wild animal that likes to eat plants and berries. Dentist. A dentist is someone who takes care of people's teeth. Desk. A desk is a table with drawers used for writing and other work. Dig. To dig means to loosen and scoop up something. Words that start with the letter C, D, and E. Disappointed. You might feel disappointed if something you hoped for doesn't happen. Doctor. A doctor is trained to keep people healthy and heal the sick. Words that start with the letter C, D, and E. Dolphin. A dolphin is a small whale with teeth and a long nose. E. Earth. Earth is the planet we live on. Elbow. The elbow is the joint between the forearm and the upper arm. Elevator. An elevator raises and lowers people or things to different floors or levels. Empty. When something is empty, it is not filled or full. Escalate. Words that start with the letter C, D, and E. Escalator. An escalator is a moving stairway that goes up and down from floor to floor. Excited. Being excited means having strong feelings about something.